Black tea and milk is a classic drink combination loved by many. But did you know there are countless ways to enjoy it? Whether you're a seasoned tea lover or just starting your tea journey, black tea with milk offers something special. In this video, we will introduce you to 5 of the best black tea and milk drinks you need to try. These drinks have been loved for generations and are perfect for any occasion. Black tea with milk is an iconic combination. However, many people may only be familiar with the standard cup of black tea and milk. While this simple, comforting drink has its charm, there are so many different variations to explore. From the aromatic masala chai to the sweet bubble tea, you can experience a world of flavor with just 2 basic ingredients. In this video, we will explore 5 exciting black tea and milk drinks that go beyond the ordinary. First, we have the beloved masala chai. This Indian tea combines strong black tea with a mix of spices like cinnamon, cardamom, ginger, and cloves. The addition of milk makes it smooth and rich, balancing the intense flavors of the spices. This drink is perfect for cozy afternoons and pairs wonderfully with a good book. Another great option is the Taiwanese bubble tea. While bubble tea has become a global sensation, the black tea and milk version remains a top choice for many. The chewy tapioca pearls add a fun texture, making this drink both a treat and an experience. If you're looking for a simpler but equally delicious option, try the classic milk tea. Made with strong black tea and sweetened milk, this drink is a perfect pick-me-up any time of the day. For something a little different, Thai iced tea with milk is a refreshing option. This vibrant orange tea, mixed with sweetened condensed milk, is served over ice and makes for a wonderfully sweet and creamy beverage on a hot day. Last but not least is Hong Kong-style milk tea. Known for its bold flavor, this tea uses evaporated milk, which gives it a velvety, smooth texture and rich taste. What makes these black tea and milk drinks so enjoyable is the balance between the bold, astringent black tea and the creamy, smooth milk. The addition of spices, sweeteners, and other ingredients like tapioca pearls makes each of these drinks unique and special. No matter your personal taste, there's a black tea and milk drink that fits your mood perfectly. To wrap things up, black tea and milk is an incredibly versatile and enjoyable combination. From the spiced masala chai to the refreshing bubble tea, there's something for everyone. Whether you're new to tea or a lifelong enthusiast, these 5 drinks will take your tea experience to the next level. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Tell us in the comments which of these black tea and milk drinks you'd like to try first. And remember, there's always a new tea experience waiting for you. Enjoy!